Welcome. Today we're diving into a key feature of the Tesla Model Y, its 60/40 split folding rear seats. This design allows you to quickly and easily maximize cargo space, making your Model Y incredibly versatile for everything from daily errands to weekend adventures. We'll show you exactly how it works. The Tesla Model Y features a 60/40 split fold rear seat system. This design divides the back seat into two sections, 60% on the passenger side and 40% on the driver's side. This configuration offers flexibility. Fold one side for longer items like skis, while keeping a passenger seated on the other side. Here you can see the rear seats in their upright position, showing the clear 60/40 split. When the 60% passenger side is folded down, it creates extra cargo space while the 40% driver's side remains up. This flexibility allows you to carry both passengers and cargo simultaneously, perfect for family trips or outdoor activities. The 60/40 split fold design makes the Model Y incredibly versatile for various needs. Folding the seats is simple. First, ensure the vehicle is parked and in park mode. Locate the release levers on each side of the seat back. They're often red or orange for visibility. Pull the lever upward to release the seat back, and it will fold forward. Repeat for the other side if needed. Push the seat back up until it clicks into place to return it to the upright position. Now let's explore how folding the seats maximizes the Tesla Model Y's cargo space. With the rear seats up, the Model Y offers 27.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the seats. Folding both seats expands the cargo area significantly. Folding both seats expands this to an impressive 68.5 cubic feet, creating a nearly flat load floor. This is perfect for larger items, pets, or even a makeshift bed for camping. Moving to safety features and important tips for folding the Tesla Model Y's rear seats. Now, let's cover the essential safety features and important tips when folding the rear seats in your Tesla Model Y. First, always secure your cargo to prevent shifting during transit. Unsecured items can move unexpectedly, potentially causing accidents or damage to the vehicle. Use proper restraints like straps or cargo nets. Second, the Model Y features a built-in safety lock that prevents accidental folding while the vehicle is in motion. This is a critical safety feature that protects against unintended seat movement during driving. Third, if your vehicle is equipped with a tow hitch, folding the rear seats provides better access to it. This makes it easier to connect trailers or other towing equipment. Finally, always ensure the headrests are clear when raising the seats back up. This is crucial to avoid damaging the mechanism and to ensure the seats lock securely in place. In late 2025, Tesla issued a recall for early Model Y units due to potential latch failure in the 60/40 split mechanism. Tesla provided over-the-air software updates reinforcing latch monitoring, plus free hardware repairs. Post-update, user reports show significantly improved reliability. The demand for versatile cargo space is growing rapidly in the EV market as consumers prioritize flexibility in electric vehicles. Current trends show a shift towards app-based controls, allowing users to adjust seats remotely through smartphone applications for easier cargo management. Additionally, there's a focus on sustainable materials in seating design, using recycled and eco-friendly fabrics that improve foldability and reduce environmental impact. Looking ahead, experts predict integration with Tesla's full self-driving technology, enabling automatic seat adjustments based on driving conditions for enhanced convenience. These innovations will continue to evolve cargo versatility in electric vehicles. Real-world applications demonstrate the Tesla Model Y's exceptional cargo versatility. From camping enthusiasts creating a makeshift bed in the flat cargo area, to commercial fleet operators who need to quickly switch between transporting passengers and hauling goods, the 60/40 split-fold seats offer unmatched practicality. These examples show how the design adapts to various needs, whether for outdoor adventures or business operations. By mastering the folding process outlined in previous sections, you can easily unlock the full cargo potential of your Tesla Model Y. Thanks for watching.